Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way. The host of this collab is Designed with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, we do have some beautiful co-hosts, so let me go ahead and mention them. We have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Being Mel B. We have Dream with Caroline and Donna Decor and more. Now, the theme of this collab is textures or greens. All right, so I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the video. I'll see you at the end. I think this came out absolutely beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.